Hello, students. Good morning to everyone.
Good
Last
morning,
time,
sir.
good morning, good morning. Last time we had
Morning,
discussed
sir.
the what is probability. Probability, the measure of uncertainty of an event, is called probability. So the number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. Today we will discuss properties of probability. The maximum probability of an event is 1. First point, the maximum probability. The maximum probability of an event is 1. If your answer comes greater than 1, it means you have committed certain mistakes. The probability of an impossible event. Point number 2. The probability of an impossible event. Probability of an impossible event which is not sure, which is not possible. So the probability of an impossible event is 0. This is probability of an impossible event which is not possible. The probability of an event is never negative. The probability of an event is never negative. The probability of an event is never negative. Point number 4. The probability of an event plus the probability of not an event, that is PE bar. Sum of these two probabilities must be equal to 1. What is this? Probability of an event plus probability of not an event is equal to 1, or PE can be written as probability of an event is equal to 1 minus probability of not that event. Both are complementary to each other. Number 6. Probability always lies between 0 and 1. 0 is either equal to or less than PE, means probability of an event is either equal to 0 or greater than 0, but either equal to 1 or लेस देन 1, यानी किसी इवेंट की प्रोबेबिलिटी 0 और 1 के बीच होगा, जिसमें 0 भी इंक्लूड है, 1 भी इंक्लूड है. नाउ इक्वली लाइकली आउटकम्स. पॉइंट नंबर 7, equally likely outcomes. Equally likely outcomes. Which event we can call equally likely outcomes? The outcomes without any bias. The outcomes without any bias is called equally likely outcomes. Suppose we toss a coin. The possible outcomes may be either tail or head. सिक्के को यदि एक बार उछाले तो या तो चित होगा या पट होगा, बीच में नहीं होना चाहिए. बालू के ऊपर गिर जाए तो बीच में भी आ सकता है सिक्का. So tossing of a coin and getting head or tail is equally likely outcomes. Suppose in a box there are 4 red balls and 1 blue ball, then probability of finding red ball will be more than probability of finding blue ball, क्योंकि रेड बॉल के नंबर्स कितने हैं? 4. ब्लू बॉल के नंबर कितने हैं? 1. तो किसकी प्रोबेबिलिटी ज्यादा होगी? रेड बॉल की. तो ये बड़ा नाइंसाफी है. दिस इज नॉट इक्वली लाइकली आउटकम्स. सो यू कैन राइट, सपोज दैट ए बैग कंटेन्स. सो tossing up a coin is an example of equally likely outcomes. Suppose a bag contains 4 red ball and 1 blue ball. In this case, probability of finding red ball will be more than blue ball. So this is not an example of, this is not an example of equally likely outcomes, equally likely outcomes. It should be symmetrical. It should be symmetrical. In the first case, when we tossing up a coin, the coming head or tail is symmetrical. In this case, it is not symmetrical. The probability of getting a red ball is more than the probability of getting blue ball. So this is not an example of equally likely outcomes. Now come to the exercise 15.5. Exercise 15.5. Exercise 15.1, not 5, 15.1. Question number first, second, third, up to fourth. First, second, third, fourth. All are based on the properties of probability that we have discussed. So these 4 questions for your homework. Come to the 5th question. If probability of an event is 0.PE is equal to 0.05, then what is the probability of not E? That is probability of not E. This is question mark. PE bar, probability of an event, probability of not that event. PE bar is equal to what? PE bar means probability of not E. So we have used probability of not E is equal to 1 minus probability of an event. So 1 minus probability of an event. This can be written as 1 minus PE 0.05. Now you subtract 0.05 from 1. So
0.20
One means
5.
1 means 1.00, and then 0.05. So this is 10, 5, 9, 0.95. 0.95. So this is your answer. Now, sixth number or sixth homework, 6, 7 number. Seven, it is given that in a group of 3 students, the probability of 2 students not having the same birthday means PE naught. PE naught. Not having the same birthday. This is 0.992. What is the probability that the 2 students have the same birthday? So PE is question mark. P dash the probability of not an event, and this is probability of an event. So how can we find PE? That is 1 minus P dash. So 1 minus 0.992. Now you subtract. Attendance. So 10th A, roll number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, roll number 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is absent. 9. Ah. 11 is present. 9, 10 is present. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 12, 13, 14, 15. 18, 19. 18, 19. 18, 19. 20, 21. 20, 21. 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. 27. 30. 30, 31. 30, 31, 32, 34. 15. 31. 32, 34. 35, 37. 35, 37. 39. 39. 1 to 5. 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 5 6 7 8 9 10 6 7 8 9 10 10 12 12 13 14 13 14 16 17 18 19 17 18 19 21 24 21 24 25 25 26 27 26 27 28 28 30 31 31 29 31 33 33 34 36 34 36 36 37 38 So what is your answer?
0.008.
0.008. 0.008. So 8 for your practice. Come to question number 9. Question number 9. First part. Question number 9. A box contains 5 red marbles, 8 white marbles, and 4 green marbles. So total number of outcomes. Total number of outcomes. This will be equal to sum of all types of marbles. So 5 plus 8 plus 4, which is equal to 17. This is total number of outcomes. What is the probability that the marble taken out will be red? First part, P red marble. P red marble, or simply you write P red. P means probability. So number of favorable outcomes, number of red marbles, this is favorable outcomes, red marbles upon total number of marbles, total number of marbles. So this is number of favorable outcomes. Favorable outcomes means red marbles. Total number of marbles means total number of outcomes. So what is red marble? Number of red marble is 5. So 5 by 17. Similarly, second part, P. White marble. white marble. Number of white marbles 8. Total number of marbles 17. ये बार बार लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है ये. Third, P, not green, not green, which is equal to 1 minus P green marble, P green. P not green is equal to 1 minus P green. So 1 minus number of green marble, that is 4 by 17. This can be written as 17 minus 4 by 17. 17 1 ja 17 minus 4. 13 by 17. So this is your answer. So 10 homework, vacation work. This is mid-term vacation work. Mid-term vacation work. And this homework. Question number 11. Question number 11. Gopi buys a fish from a shop for his aquarium. The shopkeeper takes out one fish at random from a tank containing 5 male fish and 8 female fish. So total number of outcomes. Total number of outcomes means number of male fish plus number of female fish. This is total number of outcomes. What is the probability that a fish taken is male fish? P, probability. Male fish. Male fish. So number of male fish. This is number of male fish upon total number of fishes. So total number of outcomes. Total number of outcomes. So male fish is 5 by 13. So what is number of male fish? 5. And total number of fishes? 13. This is total number of outcomes. So 12. I will do 12. 12 homework. 13. A die is thrown once. Find the probability of getting. A die containing numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So total number of outcomes. Total number of outcomes is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is 6. A die is thrown once. Suppose a die is thrown twice. Then total number of outcomes will be 36. 36. ROC Singh, correct. So this is likely outcomes. 1 may come, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now the first part, find the probability of getting first part P, a prime number. A prime number. So what are prime numbers? The smallest prime number is 2, 3, 5. 2, 3, 5. These are prime numbers. So the total number is 3 upon 6. In simplest form, it can be written as 1 by 2. 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6. So 1 by 2. Second, P, probability, a number lying between 2 and 6. A number lying between 2 and 6. So, which numbers lying between 2 and 6? Between 2 and 6, the numbers are 3, 4, 5. So, 3, 4, 5. These numbers are lying between 2 and 6. So, again 3 by 6. That is 1 by 2. Now, third part, P, an odd number. So, what are odd numbers? 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5 are odd numbers. 1 by 2. Again 1 by 2. That is 3 by 6. So 1 by 2. Now come to question number 14. Question number 14. One card is drawn from a well-shuffled deck of 52 cards. In one deck, there are 52 cards of 4 kinds. There are 4 kinds of cards. स्पेड्स, काले रंग के 13 कार्ड्स, हार्ट्स रेड कलर के, डायमंड्स वो भी रेड कलर के, क्लब्स चिड़ी ब्लैक कलर के. So total 26 cards are of black color and 13 into 2, 26 cards are of red colors. So a king of red color, total number of outcomes, total number of outcomes is 52. That is total number of cards in a deck. कुल ताश के पत्ते जोकर छोड़ करके find the probability of getting a king of red color P, a king of red color so number of red kings, number of red kings whole divided by this is favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes, total number of outcomes. रेड कलर में कौन कौन से आएंगे? हार्ट का एक किंग और डायमंड का एक किंग. और उसी सी हैज गिवन आंसर 1/26. मिहिका 1/26. ओहो, शोभा लक्ष्मी 1/26. सानिया 1/26. So all are familiar with cards, right? So 2/52, 1/26 is the correct answer. So girls have rightly answered 1/26. बॉयज सब कोई लगता है जुआ नहीं खेलता है. सेकेंड, a face card, a face card हर कलर में there are 3 face cards in each type of colored 12/52. Okay. King, Queen, Jackal. King, Queen, Jackal. These are face card in each type. So there are 4 types. 4 into 3, that is 12/52. In simplest form, 6/26, 3/13. So in simplest form it is 3/13. Now red face card, a red face card Red face card means 3 plus 3 6. 6 by 52. That is 3 by 13. 3 by 13. 14 number. Jack of hearts. Fourth. Fourth. P. The Jack of hearts. Hearts के कितने जैक? 1 by 52. 1 by 52, correct. A spade. P. A spade. नंबर ऑफ स्पेड कार्ड्स. काले रंग के कुल कितने पत्ते गड्डी में? 13 by 52. 1 by 4. 1 by 4, correct. Then the queen of diamond. P. The queen of diamond. डायमंड का क्वीन एक, सभी में एक एक क्वीन. 1 by 52. ओके, 1 by 52. So this is up to question number 14. So this exercise for your mid-term break. Mid-term break. Homework exercise 15.1. So you complete it 15.1. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. जो क्वेश्चन नहीं होगा वो छोड़ देना है, हम करेंगे.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.